Welcome, welcome everyone. I hope everyone is doing great this beautiful Monday afternoon. And I am working today in my wreath shop and just want to welcome you to Sisters Creations. I'm Analia and I am going to be working on some creations today. I just feel like doing something fun today. And this afternoon, I have a little time, and I said before I start wreathing away some more, I am going to be trying, I don't know if you can see clearly here. I hope it's not too dark. If it's too dark, let me know so that I can get some lighting. I think we're okay here. Let me see if I can get more light right down here, and hopefully you guys can see. There we go. Is that better? And I will try to add a little more lighting right here. There we go. I think that'll work. So anywho, I wanted to show you this cute little tote bag that I found. And I found this, I can't even remember where, but I'm sure I didn't pay too much for it, probably like $1 or something, since I'm always looking for a bargain. So I wanted to paint something on here. And I thought this would be a really cute gift for a teacher, for teacher appreciation, something fun for the summer, letting her know it's almost over, hang in there. And I think this would look really cute with some some ink. And I thought it would be cute. And I'm going to see about adding a little something on here to make it pretty. If you're watching, please let me know and say hello. Stop in and say hi. And I just want to work on this. I thought this would be cute. So I'm just going to put a little something fun on it. So I think it'll look really cute for a teacher gift. Just letting you know it's almost over. Summer's around the corner. And I thought it would be cute to put something here. I thought this was really fun. And it's just a cute little bag. And it's got the pineapple on both sides, but I feel like it still needed a little something. So I am thinking that I have two things that I could put on there, and I'm trying to figure out what color, but I'm thinking that black would be good, or even, I don't want to go with another color like blue. Let's see. Hi, Kathy. Thank you for watching. Hi, Marisa. And I am going to see about putting something on here that is going to be cute. Now, for a teacher, I thought it would be cute if it said this. What if it says, "Because I said so"? I thought that would be cute. That would be a cute one right there. Or maybe just hello would be also cute. And I think it would be fun, fun, fun. But I had a little time today. It's been a busy Monday. And tomorrow I will be wreathing most of the day. And so I thought, let's do this. But wouldn't this look cute? Because I said so. I thought that would look cute. And then the other one that I thought would look cute too was hello. I like the hello. The hello's just, it's everywhere. It's friendly. And that would look really pretty too. So I'm trying to see which one. And I thought that would be fun, those two. And then I have another one that I want to work on. And it's this other tote bag. And it's a hot pink tote bag. And I am excited to create something fun for this. Also, an awesome teacher appreciation gift, or a Mother's Day gift, or just a gift full of fun. Even if you're doing a gift and you want to add, let's say you're doing a gift. Instead of using a gift bag, you can certainly use this, and they can use it again and again. It's just a canvas bag, and this can be reusable. You can put it in the washer, no big deal. I like stuff like this because you just grab and go and you don't worry about it and it's reusable. Instead of like a bag that you're never gonna use again, I thought this would be so neat. So I think I'm gonna go ahead with the Because I Said So, just because I think it looks really good. And I don't know, I'm thinking here, let's see. I am thinking definitely black. Even the gold would also look good because it's a shimmery. That would look good too. And we could try it on one side and we could try it on the other side too if we don't like it, right? So either way, I think it would still look good. So let's try Because I Said So. I think that would look good for a mom or a teacher or a sister or a friend. And I just like little gifts that can be used, that are personalized and that can be used over and over again. Those are neat gifts. I think those are neat gifts. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, fuss this for a little bit, just a little bit. You don't really need to fuss too much. And I'm gonna do it angled. I think I wanna do it angled. Let's see. Just because I think that would be so fun. And I'm dying to try this gold. So I'm gonna try this. Let's see. Ooh, I love this. And believe me, I am super, super messy. I think the Hubsters is home. I could hear outside. I can hear the vehicle. So let's try this. And hopefully I won't make too much of a mess. Like I said, I am, ooh, I love this. It's got all that glitter, Too pretty, guys. Oh my goodness. It's gonna look amazing. So pretty. So, so pretty. I am already loving it. And I am also thinking I made a big mistake. Hopefully it's not too big of a mistake. And that is, I don't think I put anything at the bottom. Let me see if I can still slip something in real quick, just so that it doesn't, let's see. I'm hoping that it doesn't go through. There, okay. I think we're good now. Just so it doesn't go through. There we go. Let's finish this one off. And I am loving this. Super cute. Okay. There we go. This one needs a little bit more right here. Get all those nooks and crannies. Super fun. And I'm just loving this glitter stuff. Oh my goodness. This metallic-y stuff. So pretty. Can't wait to show you guys my craft table. It is amazing. I should have been the other way around, but for some reason my phone needed to be charged, so I had to move the angle, but it's all good. We got it. Okay, look at how neat this is. And I will go ahead and close this just because I don't want it to dry out because it's too pretty of a color. And I'm just gonna quickly here, I need to add some water to my pan so that I can go ahead and, there we go. just so that we can go ahead and wash it. That is so cute, guys. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think it's gonna look so pretty. Super pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at this. Because I said so. Isn't that pretty? I just love this. It looks so, so cute. Very, very designer looking with all that black and white, and pineapples are big, guys, this summer. Pineapples, I'm telling you, pineapples and flamingos. You definitely want some in your home decor this summer. Flamingos and pineapples. Isn't this cute? I love it. Now I'm gonna need for this to dry because I could do it also on the other side. And I am gonna stick to this gold, this metallic-y gold thing, because it is so pretty. I thought it wasn't gonna look good. Boy, was I wrong. It looks amazing. I hope you guys like it. Share away, please, and comment if you like it. See what else you'd like to see. But for right now, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna get with the pink one. I think the pink one is gonna look good also. So I need to probably put something in there too, just to make sure that it doesn't seep through. Even though it's pretty thick, I just still want to make sure that it doesn't seep through. But this is so pretty, and it's so quick to design. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. Let's see. Let's see if this is too big. Yeah, I think this is way too big. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Where do I have that other one? Where is my other carton thing? Ugh, I hate it.